Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a non-profit with the IRS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by determining the purpose of your non-profit organization. Gather the necessary information about your organization, including its mission and structure. Choose a name for your non-profit that reflects its mission and complies with your state's regulations. Incorporate your non-profit by filing articles of incorporation with your state's government. Include specific language in your articles that indicates your organization's non-profit status. Obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. You can apply for an EIN online at the IRS website. Once you have your EIN, you'll need to prepare IRS Form 1023 or Form 1023 Easy. Form 1023 is a lengthy application that requires detailed information about your organization. If you're eligible, Form 1023 Easy offers a streamlined application process. Be sure to include all required documents, including a copy of your articles of incorporation and bylaws. Pay the application fee associated with the form you are submitting. Review your application thoroughly to ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Once your application is ready, submit it to the IRS. After submission, be prepared to respond to any requests for additional information from the IRS. Wait for the IRS to process your application, which can take several months. Once approved, you'll receive a determination letter confirming your nonprofit status. Remember to keep this letter for your records and for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.